Hey, welcome back to part 2. And as you can see, picking up from where we last left off, you just put the charger in and see, it's in the phone. It's not coming out. So, yeah. So, if you're in a pinch, which even I done it, and I wasn't in, that much in a pinch, like, oh my god, my controller's going to die, my battery on my phone's going to die, I need to get a charger, charging cable, but, I don't really want to spend a bit of money on it. Simple solution. Head over to Dollar Store. All this is going to cost you $1. I use them from Dollar Store for just about a lot of my stuff. Like for charging on my little vape pod and other stuff that needs to have this little USB charger. I bought it from Dollar Store. What else did I use it on? Charge on my phone here. Yep. So, with Dollar Store electronics, it's kind of a hit and miss. I mean, some electronics, like some flashlights I haven't actually owned, they're a hit and miss. Meaning that some work, some don't work. But from what I've seen, and some chargers at Dollar Store is a hit and miss, but definitely every single charging cable that I have bought from Dollar Store was always a big hit. They always work. And I put it into like just about everything because I'm like, well, this is going to charge fast, but it's like a high voltage charge, and then something like for my little vape device, which actually, speaking of the devil, I do have it on the charger here, that, I could just take it and, if I put it in the right way, put it in and charge it, which takes a little bit longer to charge. And even for charging my PS4 controller, I bought one from the Dollar Store. I've been charging it, but now it's been like 6 months of continuously on and off, Well, I mean, on and off, like using the controller wirelessly, and then, okay, like maybe I'm watching YouTube and Netflix and trying to put a cable back in there. It kind of, what can you expect? $1 for about 6 months to a year? Yeah, definitely. I'll go out and buy it again. For $1? Yeah, I'm buying it. But, yeah. I mean, the cable on here looks okay. There's, like, nothing really bad about this cable that I could say. It's definitely more cable length than what you are going to find at a Dollar Store. I will tell you that up front. Dollar Store, they sell, like, short little, like, 3, maybe 6, possibly, no, at least about between a 3 to maybe a 6-foot cable. They are not that big, they are kind of short cables. So this one is bigger. Now if you are buying cables from Dollar Store, I recommend getting the flat cables. Don't go with these round cables, just because I noticed on round cables they take a little bit longer to charge up my stuff, and they just wear out real easy, like from here, and even the cord, they kind of like bend and the wire gets frayed on the inside. So just to let you know, heads up, if you are planning on spending $1 at Dollar Store on charging cables, get the ones that are nice and flat. The flat cables actually hold up a lot longer, charge a lot faster, they're just way better. So look for flat cables at Dollar Store if you're going to go that route. So yeah, let's actually see this all on the PS4, because that's what you came here to see. Just a quick little thing on my controllers here. Like this one is obviously, even as you could probably tell back there, from the old school PS3. This one was, the squad one. Or the squad sets or squad apps. It's the one that they made for the Call of Duty, Metal Gear Solid, Guns of the Patriot, the 4th one. Like when old Snake would hide in the dumpster, and like, hello, who's out there? You could tilt it and open up the dumpster, pee out. You're like, oh no, I'm staying in that dumpster until it's safe. So, this one, I actually remember where I got this one. I spent about 12 or 15 bucks on it. It was from a store called Play and Trade. Play and Trade is like GameStop, but they specialize in more of the older school games like N64, such as Dreamcast, such as Saturn, Game Boy Color, original GBA, you know, if it's an old school games and consoles you're looking for, play and trade. If it's more the new stuff, GameStop, obviously. But yeah, this one I love. It just was great. And then I had this one for the PS4. I don't remember where I got it or what was the brand on it, which is a bad thing because I wish that a lot of companies would actually put their brand on here, so you would be like, oh, so that's a PDP one, or oh, that's a Pelican one. By the way, this one's a Pelican one. A little bit thinner rubber, but way better. This one, I don't believe this one is a PDP, because PDP made a lot of great products. But this one, no, I don't like this one. For a lot of reasons. Like, down here, they're hard, they're thick, it's almost like cow udders. Like, I'm not trying to milk my PS4 controller here, I just need something to hold on to, like when I'm playing Call of Duty, like Battle Royale games, you know, something like that. Yeah. Another reason why I don't like this one, when you put it on, the analog joysticks were a lot harder to move. Like, you know how I could just fully move them around like, woo, all crazy like. With this on it, it was like, finally it moved. Yeah. But I am going to try this one. Just for this video, I am going to use the white one. If it does work, I'm swapping it over to the black smoky one. And yes, for the video, I will also use the little caps. Well, at least try to put one cap on. So according to the instruction, actually, you know what? Let me pop these control fleets off because, yeah, they definitely won't go on if you have this. So there you're saying just kind of do this. It's kind of hard to do it on camera. Kind of grab and stretch it. Oh, it looks like there's a tear going to form in here. I am just yeah, by doing that, I accidentally turned on my PS4 controller, and yeah. So they do go on. They actually got a little bit of molding on the back here, as you can see, with this kind of rib design. So there's that. I mean, with this one, it was like full on tested, front back all over the place, except for like down here, you know, down there. It's kind of smooth, but yeah. Even here, listen. You could definitely hear that. And with this one, oh man, it's so smooth, but yet it's secure. So I am actually going to put on these just to do a little test real quickly to see how good, you know, the analog sticks moves when these are on. Because, you know, these actually have a lot more places to get hung up on due to the way how they hook in. So actually, moving around feels about the same as not having this glove on. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good. And then of course you have access to all your stuff, you know, headphones, you know, your Bluetooth and stuff. But they're a little more cover-ups to know where's your option, where's your share button, but if you've been playing, you know what's what, and where goes where, and all that great stuff. So yeah. Like, I actually don't have any problems with this one. This brand, if you've seen the video for this black one, stay the hell away from it. Do not buy it. It's great if you're going to play it without, you know, any little add-on accessories to, you know, the analog sticks. But then again, it is a PS4 controller. Keep that in mind that you are going to need some type of analog Joy-Con extenders. Because, yeah. I mean, back in the day when PS3 made their controllers, they actually made them pretty good for the analog. PS4, they're way too small, way too slippery, so you do need like at least a pair of control plates. So, yeah. like I said, let's pop these off because these ones come off easily. Okay. And it's saying to take these, just kind of dig your fingernails in there and kind of twist and pull them out. Yeah, this one's going to be a little bit difficult. Just like these, but these ones I think went out a little bit better because they have a hard piece of plastic on here and the rest is soft. This one's completely hard. Like, here, you can hear this. Yeah. So, I dread putting this one on. Because I know what you usually deal with if you buy like the not off, you know, control freak ones. Which at the time, you know, that was the only option because control freaks were just, you know, buy them online at controlfreak.com. But now that GameStop's selling them, actually inside a GameStop store, or, you know, you can buy it on GameStop.com. It's a lot better because, I mean, if you're playing a PS4 controller without control freaks, my god, I praise you for it because the analog sticks on PS4 controller are just horrible. I can't even get this on. Like, I am trying to get all my fingernails in there, like they've been saying. As soon as I get a little piece to kind of go, it kind of rolls back on me. Oh, come on. Come the heck. Oh my god. It takes like about 20 minutes just to put one freaking cap on. You know what?